Like that back getting cracked is what I needed. And I feel nice. I feel light.
Let me tell you more about it. Boy, put in work this morning.
I mean, it wasn't you, but I feel good. I mean, he put in that work. He got me nimble.
Who is he? Who you talking to?
It's a chiropractor. Damn,
Your marriage vow, okay?
What?
You can't say back or crack unless it's involving me.
Yes, sir. But what about my neck? Because he cracked that too, and it's nice and lubed now. Oh my gosh! Get to roll it around, and I don't like your energy right now. I don't like your vibe. So
you think it's cute.
I'm just gonna get out, and we're just gonna redo
That's
this.
a good idea. Let me help you.